Hi, everyone, and welcome to a special mini-series of intentional community conversations with Intend Indiana. I'm Kim Wherry, the residential loan portfolio manager, and I'm excited to share some quick, practical tips to help you feel more confident and informed on your journey to homeownership. We know the lending process can feel overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. That's why we're keeping these episodes short and easy to follow, because at Intend Indiana, accessibility matters. Whether it's breaking down information or creating more affordable housing opportunities through initiatives like our Edge Fund, our community development financial institution designed to make homeownership more attainable, we're committed to supporting you every step of the way. Let's get started. Today, we're going to be debunking some home buying myths. We're going to be talking about what you think you need to do versus what you really can do. If you've ever thought about buying a home but talked yourself out of it because you thought your credit wasn't good enough or you didn't have 20% saved up, this is a video for you. We're going to be breaking down the myths about home buying. So let's clear the air and get you one step closer to owning your home. Myth 1, you need perfect credit to buy a home. One of the biggest myths out there is that you need a perfect credit score, like a 750 or even higher, to even think about buying a home. But reality check, most lenders can work with scores starting as low as 580, especially with government-backed loans like an FHA loan. Some programs can even go lower depending on the situation. Of course, having a higher score is going to help you get better interest rates on your mortgage loan, but don't let a less than perfect score stop you from exploring your options. It's all about progress, not perfection. If you're unsure where you stand, talk to a lender. They can help pull your credit and walk you through how to improve it. Myth 2, you need a 20% down payment. We hear this one all the time. I need to save 20% before I can even think about buying a home. But let's be real, that can feel like a mountain to climb, especially with today's home prices. Reality check, there are plenty of loan programs out there that require way less than 20% down. FHA loans, for example, only ask for 3.5 down, and some conventional loans can even go as low as 3% down. You can also look into a VA loan or a USDA loan. There also are going to be lenders and banks out there that have their own portfolio mortgage loan products. So these are going to be designated towards those first-time home buyers or those low to moderate income buyers. And those loans are going to typically not have any down payment required. There's also down payment assistance programs available in many states, grants or loans that can help cover those upfront costs. So moral of the story, you don't need a mountain of cash to get started. Myth 3, only certain types of people can qualify. This is a big misconception. You need to be employed for multiple years, or you need to have a high paying job or be at the same company for years in order to qualify. Or you're just getting out of school, you haven't had a lot of work experience. Reality check, there's no one size fits all profile for a home buyer. So whether you're just getting started or you're self-employed, there are going to be loan options designed for everybody. Lenders also look at a mix of things. They're going to be looking at your income, but they're also going to be looking at your debts and your credit and some other factors as well. And guess what? They want to help you get into a home. So don't count yourself out before you've tried. So a quick recap. You don't need perfect credit. You don't need 20% down. And you don't need to fit some ideal home buyer mold in order to purchase a home. What you do need is the right information and the right resources and the right team of people to assist you. You do need a plan. Even if it's not right now, you can still get started on your plan to become a homeowner. And you can absolutely become a homeowner, even if it doesn't feel like it just yet. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to our team at Intend Indiana, and we'll be happy to assist you. If you're curious about your options, reach out to a lender or reach out to our team at Intend Indiana. Buying a home isn't about having everything perfect. It's about starting your journey with the right info and the right support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.